Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, a little bit of selling pressure here overnight. Not enough yet at this stage to confirm that this wave 4 has topped, but it looks okay. I mean, look, prices reacted in this small wave 4 to the ideal target for a fourth wave, 38.2 retracement at 1943, and it has recovered, only in very, very minor ways so far. Let me move the resistances to the right-hand side a little bit, stretch that out a bit. But it's not really impulsive on the way down. It's only a 3-wave move down. So at this stage, it can become an extended fourth wave. Absolutely. I showed that just now in the Bitcoin video as well. The thing is that Bitcoin's price recovered a little bit more since yesterday's drop or overnight drop. Yeah. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see that here. But Bitcoin also in the first place didn't recover that much. But it's basically where it was yesterday, whereas Ethereum dropped a little more and hasn't really recovered that much. But in the first place, it went higher, to the 38.2 FIB level, something that Bitcoin hasn't even reached. So here on the micro level, my view is still that we should head lower, one more wave down, as long as price doesn't go above 1955. So in this space, it can of course extend out a little bit. Let's talk about a few micro counts in a second. But first of all, the overall assumption is still that a larger wave 1 topped here. That's the wave 1 of the 5-wave move between the 15th of June, which bottomed here, or at around 1630 roughly, and then we moved up in 5 waves with a massive wave 4, and then this wave 5 to the upside, which topped here at around 2032 a few days ago. And now we had this, potentially impulsive reaction to the downside, which however is likely not finished yet. At least that would be my expectation, as long as price stays below 1955. Only a break above 1955 will make me consider something different, something short-term more bullish. Okay, so be aware that would also be a potential breakout point to the upside. Not a reliable breakout point, necessarily, but still a point where we cannot really continue with our direct sell-off scenario. So now let's take a look at the options. So obviously if wave 1 topped here, the idea would be to come down in this ABC structure. We discussed that already yesterday. A, B, C, and the A wave could be unfolding now in 5 waves. Alternatively, the wave 1 already topped here at one of the previous highs, for example here on the 3rd of July, and then we are currently dealing with a so-called flat structure, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, and would move up then. This is still the support area between 1875 and 1713. The overall bullish assumption on this chart can continue as long as we're holding 1713, and it can take, it can find support at 1875, 1828, 1780, and 1713. So there are different ways how we can get into this support area. Now let's take a look here at this 15-minute chart and maybe consider some micro counting. Again, I gave you the resistance already, 1955. As long as we stay below that level, direct continuation downside to the downside is expected. Now, it could be that this fourth wave already topped, but the move down is currently only and clearly in 3 waves. So what could happen is that this yesterday was only an A wave top in wave 4. This here was a B wave, and we now move up in a C wave. A, B, C in wave 4, no problem. It can use the entire space of this red box. But if it breaks, I would say if it breaks below the overnight low here at 1917, then it's probably coming down lower. Yeah, this could also develop into a triangle if it now makes a lower high and then another higher low and a lower high. We could have a triangle, but it's too early to say that. So 1955 remains the relevant parameter. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.